Welcome to our guide on how to use the support module to create and submit a ticket on PTPShopy, your reliable crypto payment gateway. Whether you're facing an issue or just have a question, our dedicated support team is here to help. A well-structured support ticket can provide you with faster and more accurate assistance. To start, log into your PTPShopy account and click on the support section. Here you'll find a list of your existing tickets and their statuses. As you can see, no records are found as we have not yet created a ticket. To create a new ticket, click on the Create button at the top right. You'll be prompted to fill in details such as the subject, description of your query, or issue. Be as detailed as possible to help us understand and address your needs quickly. If you have any screenshots that can help illustrate the issue, attach them to your ticket. This can significantly speed up the troubleshooting process. Before submitting, review your ticket to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Then click Submit. You'll be taken back to the main screen where your support ticket will be visible. The support ticket will be sent to our CRM for our customer support reps to review. You can track the status of your ticket and communicate further through the support module. Responses typically occur within a specified time frame, so keep an eye on your support module for updates. Thank you for using PTPShopy. Our support team is committed to providing you with the assistance you need when you need it. Your satisfaction and security are our top priorities.